Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for Memories. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We're in standard tuning for this song and we need a capo on the 2nd fret to play this the easiest. Now the introduction has 4 chords to play, the first of which is an E major chord, which is an open E string, 2-2 on the A and D. This is in reference to the capo, 1 on the G, 0-0 on the B and E. And what we do is we go from that chord to a C sharp minor, which in reference to the capo is 4 frets up, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're building a bar chord, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4. And that's our 2nd chord. The last 2 chords are variants of A. There's A major and A sus2. A major being an open A, 2, 2, 2, and then a 0. And A sus2 just gets rid of that finger. Okay, so let's put all those together. It's a bar each, an E major. We have that rhythm, down, 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 up, down. And we jump early to C sharp minor, what we call anticipation in music. However, notice we don't jump early to any other chord, it's just the C sharp, the 2nd chord. If you play that round twice, you get the full introduction. We then get the first verse. The great thing is that's when Beabadoobee does her own thing, singing wise, and we play the same chords round 2 times in a row. We then have a pre-chorus. That is exactly the same thing again, 2 more times in a row. We then get to the chorus where things do change. So it is worth mentioning that I've brought out a chord chart for you. There's a full set of structure, including all the chords within that structure, as well as another sheet of the chords and lyrics matched up. Let's say you're singing or playing along and you need to know which chord and which lyric match up together. Heading over to Patreon, I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 900 songs of all the latest releases. So feel free to check that out. However, the chorus, we have E major, again, A major, again, then repeat all of that, E to A. It then continues with this chord of F sharp minor, which is a minor bar chord built from fret 2 on the E string, 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2. And what we do is have 2 bars of that to A major. It then goes to E major, to this chord here, G sharp minor, which is just like the F sharp minor bar chord that we had here, up 1, 2 frets, so 4 from the capo, same shape. And after you've gone through 2 bars of G sharp minor, we go down to the F sharp minor for technically 4 bars, 2 bars of strumming and 2 bars where you just let that 1 chord ring out. What I'm going to do now is play through the full chorus in one go with me shouting the chords out so you can see how all of this fits together. E, A, E, A, F sharp minor, A, E, G sharp minor, F sharp minor, and then sustain it. 5, 6, 7, 8. We then get to the 2nd verse. Now looking over to my notes, which is what I've put over on Patreon, the 2nd verse and then the pre-chorus after that are just back to the original set of chords, the E to C sharp minor, A to A sus2. Repeat those round. We then have another chorus, exactly the same as the first chorus, so we'll skip past that. And then there's a bit of a bridge, an outro of sorts, which just ends the song, it kind of loops around a bit. And what we have is A major, going up to B major, which is a 2 on the A, 4, 4, 4 on the D, G and B. Then E, A major. So A to B, E to A, then it repeats. Notice how it finishes with A, but when you repeat, you go back to the beginning and it's A again, so it feels like there's two A's together. I'm going to demonstrate that round 2 times in a row so you can see how that fits together. Then it repeats. You'll play that round 4 times to get to the end of the song. So there we go, that is everything we need to get through this song. If you found it useful, please do like and subscribe, it really helps out the channel. And consider getting the extra material on Patreon, which is what these folks will get straight away because they are my active patrons. So yeah, when this video goes live, they'll get access to that content straight away. So thanks to them for their support, thanks to you for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.